Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add Fantom to MetaMask. If you'd like to add Fantom network on your MetaMask wallet with your mobile device, then watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To add Fantom network to MetaMask, tap open MetaMask wallet and make sure that you're logged in first. Once you're inside, go to the top left-hand corner and tap on the hamburger menu. Select Settings from the options displayed. Tap Networks from the Settings tab. And now tap on Add Network from the Popular tab. If you see Fantom Opera, tap on the option and select Approve in order to add Fantom Opera to your MetaMask wallet. If you want to manually enter the information, tap on Custom Networks at the top right. Right where it says Network Name, type in Fantom space Opera. Now, where it says RPC URL, type in https://rpc.ftm.tools and head over to the next field. Type in 250 as your chain ID. Where it says symbol, type in FTM in bold letters. Where it says block explorer URL, type in https://ftmscan.com/. After you enter all of this information, tap on the add button at the bottom. Now tap on got it and you'll be able to see that your network has been switched to Fantom Opera. Pretty simple, isn't it? That is how you'll be able to add Fantom to MetaMask wallet. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.